Power Automate is Microsoft's automation engine inside the Power Platform. It connects systems and orchestrates business processes. It integrates Microsoft 365 with line-of-business applications. It runs the approval flows, data syncs, and notifications that hold modern operations together. Every enterprise runs on repetitive work, manual data entry, scattered approval emails, spreadsheets copied between systems, disconnected applications that never talk to each other. The cost is not just time, it is errors, delays, and operational drift. Automation reduces effort, improves consistency, and accelerates business operations. Cloud flows are the modern half of Power Automate. They run entirely in Microsoft Cloud Services. They use connectors to talk to other systems through APIs. They respond to triggers and execute actions in sequence. Save email attachments to a SharePoint library. Post Teams notifications when a record changes. Route approvals through manager hierarchies. Synchronize records between Dynamics and an external SaaS platform. Cloud flows work best when the systems involved already expose APIs. Cloud flows are the architectural default for a reason. They scale elastically with cloud capacity. They are centrally monitored from the admin center. Governance applies at tenant or environment level. There is no machine to maintain. There is no UI to break. When the connected systems are modern, prefer cloud-native automation. The maintenance cost is lower and the reliability is higher. Desktop flows are the other half of Power Automate. They use robotic process automation, known as RPA. Instead of calling APIs, they automate the user interface itself. They simulate human interaction. They click buttons. They type into form fields. They navigate between application windows. They are used when systems lack APIs or modern integration paths. Legacy ERP systems, terminal applications, finance tools with no exposed endpoints. Desktop flows extend automation into systems that were never designed for integration. Desktop automation is powerful, but it is operationally heavier. The UI is fragile by nature. A button moves, a screen gets redesigned, and the flow breaks overnight. Selectors fail. Flows depend on a machine being available and healthy. Credential management becomes critical. Unattended bots run on virtual machines that need patching and capacity planning. Desktop automation demands stronger operational discipline than its cloud counterpart. The two engines solve different problems. Cloud flows are API-based. They run in the cloud, they scale elastically, they are easier to govern. Desktop flows are UI-based. They run on machines, they are sensitive to interface changes, they require more operational overhead, but they reach systems where APIs simply do not exist. The principle that matters most: prefer API-driven automation first. Use desktop automation strategically. Real enterprise workflows combine both engines. A vendor invoice arrives by email. A cloud flow extracts the attachment and creates a record in Dataverse. An approval task posts to Teams. The manager approves with one click. A desktop flow logs into a legacy ERP. It navigates to the right screen and enters the invoice data. Control returns to the cloud flow, which posts a confirmation back to Teams. Hybrid automation bridges modern cloud systems and the older platforms still running the back office. Scale changes the conversation. DLP policies decide which connectors can share data. Credential management protects the service accounts that bots impersonate. Unattended RPA needs licensing, machine capacity, and clear ownership. Environment strategy keeps production isolated. Monitoring and alerting catch failures early. As automation scales, governance becomes as important as the automation itself. Cloud flows excel in modern connected environments. Desktop flows extend automation into systems that were never designed for integration. The most successful enterprise strategies combine both: cloud first wherever possible, strategic RPA where necessary, governance at the center of it all.